Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. I wanted to do a real quick video on something that came across very common working on a customer's guitar. You can see very clearly what happens if you don't take off those stickers, those factory stickers and stuff like that. You will get a shadow, sunburn, whatever you want to call it. Seen this many times, and especially instruments that hang in, say, in a shop window, in direct light or heavy light, or like harsh light. They'll develop something like this very quickly. So you got to get that sticker off. As much as you like the pride of whatever the brand is and stuff like that, it's not going to do your instrument any favors. Get that off as soon as you can. And if you do buy something and it's you find it after the fact that there is a leftover suntan, ask for some form of compensation. Ask for like a percentage back or whatever. I mean, really, it's just a piece of plastic, but it's something that shouldn't happen. And as long as you're not responsible, it's all good, right? Okay. Anyway, lesson learned. Take it off. Actually, this one is so apparent. You can almost read that. Crazy. Anyway, thanks for coming out. Read the description below. Lots of free goodies down there. Have a great day. Play loud and carry on. See ya.